Hi guys, welcome to my vlog too. I know I forgot to shoot the intro for this, so I hope you enjoy it. If you have not watched my part 1, the link is in the description box. You people can go see that and come back and watch this. Now I just like chill and drink my coffee. I don't take sugar in my coffee because I feel that what, sugar just camouflages the real taste of coffee, so I don't take sugar. It's almost a year. The first office that I joined, what happened? There was a grandfather who used to work in pantry section, and he started getting coffee for us, and he would most of the time forget sugar, and I got into a habit. Like, I'm like, you know what, I'm okay with it. Like, I don't need sugar in my life, but for tea I need a little bit of jaggery, and if jaggery is not there, at least like half a quarter spoon of sugar will do. And I snack a bit. I usually take rusk for afternoon snacks. There is a new flavor in Elite brand. It's called pizza rusk. I eat that, but now because yesterday I went and got this place. And once you taste this flavor, mind me, once you taste this flavor, there is a no going back. Like, this is legitimately my most favorite flavor now in Lay's, apparently. And I never used to like Lay's in India because I felt that Oman Lay's is much better. I don't know why. And cheers. I usually like record in the afternoons, like around 2 o'clock and 3, because our house help goes off for sleeping down with my uncle and aunt, who just said hi. That aunt goes to sleep, and when they go to sleep, I usually record at that time because zilch noise actually. Otherwise, there is cooker, there is grinder, there is every noise. See, every noise possible will come in the room. And sometimes when I don't feel like shooting in the afternoons, I shoot in the night, so we're going to be productive. See, that is a noise I'm talking about. I'm not even kidding you. Thank you guys for bearing up with my bare face. The days I get off, I don't feel like wearing makeup because our skin also needs to breathe. And if you're continuously going to abuse our skin by putting makeup constantly, it's just going to give up on us, and we're going to have breakouts. So now I'm going to go to my aunt's house. Hi, Mummy. How are you? Hi, Kalu. Only one. No scratches here. Adab, adab. Say hi. Hello. Bro, you're getting recorded. Can you say hi? Guys, this fellow is there with me since PG 2016. This guy has been with me since school 2011. 9 years, 6 years. Did you just say unfortunately? Trying out new lipsticks, so I thought, why not just film that, because of course it's a part of my day. Okay, so I think I've already mentioned in my Instagram stories that I bought few items from the app Purple, and one lipstick that actually stood out really well was NY Bay. I don't know, I just like started loving this brand because A, it's affordable, B, the quality is flippin' amazing, and such sleek packaging. Yeah, it looks luxe but doesn't feel luxe. Like, it's not heavy, it's very light, so you know what, I'm just gonna swatch it for you. Called Backstage Look. Okay, this is a beautiful color. Like, I'm in love. More of a very dark berry burgundy kind of color, and burgundy comes in the family of reds. Yeah, I had my 2 weeks of clothes washed in the machine, and now I'm just gonna keep back my clothes. I'm gonna take you along with me because that's what I do. Okay, like, just let's do that. We guys usually have our dinners by 8, and today they were supposed to make rotis, but I said I don't feel like eating roti because I'm gonna have dosa. So I'm gonna eat dosa, and for people who call it dosa and dosa and all, it's dosa. Dosa. Okay, please, and people who call sambar as sambar, it's sambar. अगली बार कोई बोला ना बगा बगा के मार दे. It is all about relaxation. I can't take you on my work days because you will see how stressed, tense, anxious, everything I am. And it is hot. Today is so sultry, so hot. Like I just washed my face 1 hour ago, and I feel like I'm a Medu Vada again. We live near the sea, right? So of course I think because of the salt, I don't know, something salty air they say, right? Fine guys, I will catch you back in some time. Adab.
Wanna have coffee?
What coffee is it?
Filter coffee.
Cheese omelette with what?
Capsicum, celery,
Yum.
onions and tomatoes.
Easy chicken. Fun fact, this aunt of mine used to make us egg whenever I used to come from Oman for vacations, and she used to make 70 seconds anda. So she is basically the best in making omelets and eggs. So what is 70 seconds anda in English? Half boiled egg. We used to go to the beach and we used to come back, and we were little kids like me and my brother. So she used to like make us, yeah, we have to like count 70. She'll make us sit on the counter in the kitchen, and she will tell us to count till 70, and after that she will sit and feed us, me and my brothers, that egg. It used to be so flippin' good. This chicken that we are going to eat today, like this chicken, is made by her. She is my sister-in-law, and she makes this amazing chicken. Recipes are not to be shared. Thank you. You guys, look at her sitting, no? One leg out. What are you doing?
Wanna make a coffee? You want?
Kudta na veshum kudu kudipen.
Maridala.
Sam, what are you making?
Coffee,
For?
mama and me.
She's a fabulous cook, huh, guys? Her cakes, her chicken, and everything is amazing.
All the cakes are mine.
Oh my God! Wow!
I'm quickly going to change and then wash my face and get to bed because I'm super tired and my head is hurting. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Okay, there was this massive cockroach in my room. I was so scared. It came actually 3 days ago. We put medicine and everything. It still didn't die. And today it suddenly came and I'm like, oh my god. So big, huh? Like, mind me. My uncle actually chased it around and killed it. Yes. My uncle, yes. It feels so good to have water on your face because it's so sultry today. I don't know why is it so sultry. I'm getting frustrated. I actually don't use this specific thing about Pond's, but house help actually got 2-3 of these, like this particular one. I don't believe in fairness sort of face washes. I only use the other one of Pond's. It's going waste. I can't even exchange it because he lost the bill. Even if they ask me to promote this, I don't promote anything that has fairness, treatment and all. I mean, please love yourself the way you are. I can only say that much. It's a weird thing, but it's still suffering and I wanted to die as soon as possible. This is so cruel. I don't even want to go near it. Oh my. Can you just see? This shit has cockroach. It feels really dry and lack of hydration is there. So I'm going to take this Pond's gel. This has this hyaluronic acid and vitamin A. So this is a non-sticky gel and I really like it. And it smells divine. Skin just drinks this, okay? Literally. Like it just gets sucked in as soon as you do and you get this moisture. Can you see that sheen? Yes, I love this moisturizer for that reason. It's very light. Even in the morning when you wake up, you don't feel like, you know, you've bombarded your skin with so many products. I personally don't believe in putting your skin through so much of torture and trauma. I love this one. My holy grail lip balm since for ever and ever. I think 2 years I've been continuously using this and I cannot put it down. Like, can you see, it's almost got over. There's nothing left. It is already 11 o'clock and I'm planning to go sleep. So before sleeping, I usually watch some fun videos, some Nikki tutorials or Malvika Sitlani or something. I speak to my fiance and then I go to sleep. So I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna sign off now because why do you want to see me like watching someone else, some other videos or something like that? It'll be the same process again. So I'm just gonna sign off. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I am not sweating. It's just the moisturizer that I applied. It just gives you this luminosity in your face. If you like this vlog, please do like, comment and share. And if you want me to do more such vlogs, do comment below. I would love to see your response on this. If you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new video that I upload. And I'll see you all in my next video. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.